I'm just going to remove these two bolts here. I don't want to damage the just make sure I have some, just to get some extra space, making sure I don't damage the gasket. It's moving underneath. Fuck. Bitch. Hang on, let me just see. You can get it there. There we go. Got it. Like wiggling it from side to side a little bit. Okay, got it in. Now, what you don't want to do is like tighten the single bolt at once. You just want to get it in there, get all the other ones in, and then tighten each one little by little. What I'll do is I'll clean up the oil that's sitting here as well, as best as I can. Technique I like to use, I just put the bolt on the end of the wrench with the extender. And another thing I'd like to do is